I'm going to be talking about in this episode how to blow up your trading in the next 24 hours using the TTM Squeeze. We always start with market posture. If you can master market posture and what strategies to trade at the right time, I promise you this. If your account is looking like this, like a seesaw, I can tell you with almost a 100% certainty that it will start looking like this. God, this is going to be good. This is going to give you some of you goosebumps like it's giving me right now. Let's say you see a great setup. Let's say you see a great ascending triangle setup with the squeeze. So that line represents a squeeze. So we have an ascending triangle, beautiful squeeze, and the market breaks through resistance. So I take a trade right now. Let's just say I took a trade on Bank of America. I don't know. That's the first stock that came to mind because I hate them. So I'm looking at Bank of America. I see an ascending triangle in a squeeze uptrend, and the market shatters resistance and keeps going up. What do you think is going to happen to my Bank of America trade? It's going to go up. I'm going to win. We see a beautiful squeeze. Bank of America. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Ready, aim, fire. Everything's perfect. The market's setting up for support, and then the market rolls over. What's more than likely going to happen to my Bank of America trade? It's going to go down. So what I'm trying to say is market posture is more important than anything else. Discussing market posture, we always look for our intermediate term posture first, right? Is the blue above the pink, which is the 8 exponential above the 34. A very easy way to determine your intermediate term trend is the blue stacked above the pink. They're only valuable when they are either trending up or trending down. When they start to go flat, they're no longer valuable. On market posture, we're going to dive into short term. Short term is critical. Now, I'm not discussing day trading, okay? So if you're short-term trading and you're day trading, different animal all by itself. I'm talking more about right this moment in this video on the daily time frame. When we're talking about short-term posture is the hardest one to get, right? We talk about highs and lows. And if you see here, these green boxes, they represent highs and lows. So you got to know how to determine what is a high. Now, we've already got a low, so the next progression is a high. Whenever we get anything other than higher highs and higher lows, it shifts to neutral. But because we're breaking high, I'm now neutral to bullish. And I will be full-blown bullish once we pull back and bounce. And the reason why your short-term posture matters so much is the TTM Squeeze is a short-term trading strategy. So what we're trying to do is match our short-term posture with when do we trade the squeeze and when do we not. If the market goes and you place trades at the right time, you're going to win. If the market rolls over, I'm going to lose. I might win on one because I'm trading the strong stocks in the strong sector. So I still might get lucky and win on one or two. But I'm going to lose on the majority of them. And you know what's going to happen? Is you're going to trade Bank of America like that, and you're going to lose, and you're going to sit there, and you're going to second guess yourself, and you're going to wonder what the hell went wrong. Why? Why the heck did I lose? And you're going to think you suck. You're going to think you don't know how to trade. You're going to make comments like, I'm the worst trader ever. Nobody's worse than me. I know because I made those every single day of my life for 7 years, and I sucked bad. But I didn't really suck. All where I sucked at was this concept that I'm trying to tell you. Trading, if you're trying to run it as a business and you're wondering why you're not consistent, or you're wondering how come you can't make money and trade for a living, this is why. It's not your ability to find a good setup. It's you are doing the wrong things at the wrong time, or the market is not cooperating. If the market goes up and you put on bullish trades, you're going to win. If the market goes down, you pull on bullish trades, you're going to lose. Game over. I believe that every trader in the world, if they pay attention to this, they can consistently generate money for a living. This concept that I'm sharing with you in this video lesson on permission, making sure you understand what the market is doing before you get into your TTM squeeze trade. That's gonna make all the difference. That is what I focus on the most in the trading school. It's not the strategy itself, it's when do you have permission to trade that strategy? And if you can solve that piece of the puzzle, you got it. Don't forget, this month, I'm going to give my TTM Squeeze bonus course to anyone who gets my Options Elite Masterclass, all right? You get the Options Elite Masterclass this month. I'm gonna give you the TTM Squeeze course for free. Information on that is down below in the description. If you like the squeeze, smash that like button. That's the #1 thing you can do to help support me and the channel.